Jai Hind everyone, I am Prabhat Kumar and I welcome you all to PYQ Academy. In today's video, I am going to discuss the solutions of UPSC CAPF AC examination 2017, and today I will be dealing with the science questions. So without wasting time, let's start our discussion. So the first question is question statement questions in which uh, you have to mark answer A if both the statements are correct and statement 2 is the correct explanation of statement 1, and if both the statements are correct but statement 2 is not the correct explanation of statement 1, then your answer will be option D, and if only statement 1 is correct and 2 is false, then answer will be option C, and if statement 1 is false and statement 2 is true, then answer is option D. So accordingly, let's read the statements. So first statement is chameleon changes its skin color to match with the color of the surrounding. So we all know that in Hindi we call it girgit, and we know that saying that girgit rang badalta hai. Okay. So chameleon changes skin color to match with the color of the surrounding. Yes, this is true statement. Then the skin of chameleon emits light of color of surrounding through fluorescence. No, means uh, the main motive behind the changing of color of in the chameleon is that it want to regulate the temperature. Okay, and to regulate temperature, it has various transparent layers within its skin. Okay, known as chromatophores. So when it changes the color of its skin, that means it has the ability to regulate the different layers of its skin. So when it comes in contact with uh, so uh, so when it has to increase the temperature, so it can change into a dark color. Okay, and the dark color will absorb light. Okay, absorb light. So in this way, it can increase its temperature, and if it has to decrease its temperature, so it will change its color into a light color, which will reflect that color. That is a reason, but it means it doesn't emit any kind of light to match with the surrounding. So this is false statement. So according to our answer, means the statements, it should be option A true and option B false. So answer is option C. Okay, let's move to next question. Statement 1. Occasionally we see two rainbows together, the primary rainbow with another less intense rainbow about 10 degrees away. So yes, it is true. Um, then the secondary rainbow appears due to refraction about a reflection of sunlight from the water droplet. So both the statements are true, but there is not the only reason that a secondary rainbow forms. Wait, means the reason why secondary rainbow forms is, you can see here, this is primary rainbow and this is secondary rainbow. So what is the difference? In primary rainbow there is only one internal reflection, but in secondary rainbow there is two internal reflections. So and due to which it is also seen that it is less intense than the primary rainbow, because it undergoes two internal reflections and loses its intensity of the light. So now coming to our answer, UPSC has given answer as option B. Okay, in the official um, answer key. So according to which both the statements are true, and but 2 is not the correct statement. Okay, but still I have little bit doubt in this statement that the secondary rainbow appears due to refraction after a reflection. That means refraction after a reflection, but I think it is not clearly mentioned. I think there should be after two reflections. Okay, so but still UPSC has given the answer option B, so we have to mark this answer. But for this question, you just remember that in secondary rainbows there are, the difference between primary and secondary rainbow is that in secondary rainbow there are two internal reflections, and in primary rainbow there is only one internal reflection. At the same time, primary rainbow is more intense, that means it is more visible, while secondary rainbow is less intense and it is fainter than the primary rainbow. Okay. So this concept is taken from 12th ray optics chapter. Okay. Next question. Which of the following artificial sweetener is a modified sugar? So answer is option C, sucralose. This is question directly from uh, environmental chemistry. Wait, chemistry in everyday life. Chemistry in everyday life. Okay. So this is a chapter from class 12, part 2 NCERT chemistry. Okay. So sucralose is a trichloro derivative of sucrose. Its appearance and taste are like sugar, and it is stable at cooking temperature. It does not provide calories. As it is stable at cooking temperature, so it can be used as daily means in used as modified sugar. Okay. So aspartame, saccharin, and allicin, both all the three are also artificial sweeteners, but only sucralose is a modified sugar. Okay. Next question: which one of the following polymers is made of protein? So if you have to guess, you can mark the answer correct by just guessing. So rubber, cotton, jute, wool. So all these three are obtained from plant. Okay, and this is only from animal. So this can be our answer. Okay. Next question. Which of the following diseases are caused by consumption of water contaminated by mercury and nitrate? So very common question. It has been asked in various examinations. So mercury causes Minamata. Okay. Minamata. And nitrate causes blue baby syndrome. Okay. And another one is caused by one metal known as cadmium is Itai. Okay. Itai. So remember all these three, it is asked in various examinations, not only in UPSC but in various exams of SSC or railways. Okay. So it is a very important GK question. So mercury, Minamata, and nitrate, not osteoporosis. Not osteoporosis. Okay, not osteoporosis. Minamata and blue baby syndrome. Next question. Leakage of which of the following gas tragedy caused Bhopal gas tragedy in the year 1984? A very important question and is asked in number of examinations. Answer is option A, methyl isocyanate. Next question. Which one of the following element is present in green pigment of lips? Also an important question. The answer is option A, magnesium. Next question. Which one of the following is not correct about organic farming? Okay. So organic farming in which we have to use organic fertilizers. That means not synthetic, not inorganic fertilizers. So let's read the statements. It does not use genetically modified seeds. Yes, it does not use HYV seeds or any other genetically modified seeds. It used only traditional seeds. So yes, this statement is correct. So next, synthetic pesticides or fertilizers are not used. Yes, these are not used in organic farming. Only the organic fertilizers like cow dung or any other wastes, plant wastes, okay, which can be decomposed easily. Then it uses minimum crop rotation. No, it uses maximum crop rotation so that the fertility of the soil is maintained. Okay, because since it is not using the fertilizers, so maintains the fertility by crop rotation. Okay, then it is ecologically protective practice. Yes, it is ecologically sustainable practice, because in this practice they the the there is means we are maintaining the fertility of soil, and at the same time all the pesticides or anything which are not which are harmful to the environment are not used. Okay, so answer is option C, which was not, so answer is option C. Next question, which one of the following instrument is used for measuring moisture content of air? Again a question from general knowledge, so answer is option B, hygrometer. Hygrometer is used for measuring the moisture content. Next question, bronze is an alloy of copper and tin. Again a question of general knowledge, but you can find this answer in NCERT. So you can see here that brass is an alloy of copper and zinc, and bronze is an alloy of copper and tin, given in the metals and non-metal chapter 3 of class 10. So bronze is an alloy of copper and tin. Next question, liquid water is denser than ice due to, so answer is hydrogen bonding. So this is a question of higher question from concept of higher NCERT. Hydrogen bonding gives ice a rather open type structure with wide holes. These holes can hold some other molecules of appropriate size. Interestingly, so you can see here that in ice structure some holes are present. That means the density of ice will be less than water, and this is due to hydrogen bonding. So answer is option B, hydrogen bonding. So one trick you can remember that in various cases, anything related to any special property related to water, uh, and the reason behind that is hydrogen bonding. Okay, next question, which one of the following is chemical name of heavy water? So chemical name of heavy water is nothing but deuterium oxide. Do not confuse with deuterium dioxide. It is D2O. Okay, and deuterium oxide is name. So next question, who among the following has coined the term quark, the fundamental particles that make up protons and neutrons in atomic nucleus? Answer is option B, Murray Gell-Mann. Factual question, just remember the answer. Next question, the mass number of an element is not changed when it emits. So it is a question from radioactivity decay. Okay, and it is question of higher NCERT. That means concept from class 11 to 12. Sorry, class 12. Okay. So you can see a equation for alpha decay. So if alpha decay happens, so there is a change in element that the mass number changes by 4 and the atomic number changes by 2. So the question is asking what the mass number of an element is not changed. So it is changed in alpha. So let's remove all the options related to alpha, and we got our answer. Okay, so if you have only one knowledge about alpha decay, so you must have got it answer. And in case of beta decay, there is change in atomic number but no change in atomic mass. And in case of gamma decay, there is neither change in atomic number nor change in atomic mass. So our answer is option C. So just remember these three concepts with related to alpha, beta and gamma. I think it is sufficient. Next question, which one of the following disease caused by cadmium pollution? I mentioned this information in one question. You can see here for cadmium pollution, one disease is caused known as itai. Okay, so the answer is mean amount of world, it is for mercury. Okay, and fluoris is for fluoride, blue baby syndrome for nitrate. Okay, then itai for cadmium. So our answer is option B. Okay. So next question, presence of ozone in the atmosphere is important because it absorbs. So all UVC and most UVB radiation is absorbed by the Earth's ozone layer. Okay. So, but it is not absorbing UVA. Okay. UVB is 90%, I think. Okay. And UVC nearly 100%. Okay. So presence of ozone in the atmosphere is important because it absorbs ultraviolet A. No, it doesn't absorb. Then ultraviolet B only. Yes, for this question there is only mention of A and B. So yes, it can absorb B. Infrared, no. Outgoing ultraviolet radiations and incoming ultraviolet, no. So answer is option B. Next question. Which one of the following is a major effect of long-term consumption of drinking water containing less or no fluoride? Okay. So there are two cases for fluoride. Okay. So if you are using fluoride, okay, one is less, another is more, and in both the cases it is harmful. So if you are consuming less fluoride, then it will cause cavity in your tooth. Okay. And if you are consuming more fluoride, then it will cause mooting. Okay. Okay. So here the question was concerned with less use of fluoride. So answer is option E. That's why you must have heard and not Pepsodent means all the toothpaste brands, they are advertising that their toothpaste brand has fluoride content, which can stop cavity of tooth. Okay, so answer is option A. Next question. Carborundum is used as an abrasive because. So carborundum is nothing but SiC, silicon carbide. Okay, or one another carborundum is Al2O3. Basically, it is a very hard material which is used as a gemstones. Okay. Also, silicon carbide is used in electronic industry as a semiconductor and other uses. Okay, so carborundum has a wide range of industrial uses as an abrasive. Okay, as grains bond together for extremely hard ceramics, which are used in car brakes, clutches, plates, bulletproof vests. Okay, so carborundum is used as abrasive. Abrasive here means anything hard which can be used to crush or scratch something. Okay, so answer is uh, because it is extremely hard. That's why it is used. Next question. Which one of the following is not decomposed by bacterial action? So a question of common sense. Vegetable remains is decomposed. Animal carcasses and waste flowers, all these can be decomposed. Okay, but plastic materials cannot be decomposed by bacterial actions. So answer is option B. Okay, so today we are done with the questions of science. Okay, of 2017, and most of the questions were factual in nature. That's why I was not having the I didn't went for the any explain deep explanation. Okay, so and but these questions are used. Sorry, these questions are asked a number of times in various exams of UPSC as well as other exams. So remember these questions as a GK question or a general science question. Make these questions as a one-liner in your copy and revise it before going to the examination hall. Okay, so if you have any kind of doubt, then you can ask me in through comment, or you can connect with me on different social media platforms. The detail of my social media platforms I have given in the description box, and you can also join this PYQ Academy Telegram channel, where I will be providing various important information regarding to the exams like CDS, CAPF, and DA. Okay, and you can also connect with me on Instagram and various other social media handles. So if you like the content, then please hit a like button. Okay, and if you like the video, then go to the channel page, watch other videos, and if you found the channel useful, then you can subscribe and hit the like button, so that when I will be posting some new videos, so you will get the notification. Okay, so share as much as possible, so that all the content reaches the person who is in a need. Okay, so thank you so much for watching PYQ Academy.